ResiPour is an easy-to-apply UV Stable Resin designed for bonding and stabilising loose garden stone and decorative aggregates to minimise mess and maintenance. As it is water-based, it will allow surface water to flow through, meaning it is also suitable for use on aggregates in the top of flower pots and flower borders. This product is not suitable for use on areas of regular foot traffic or any vehicular traffic. In this example, we have a loose aggregate border separating the patio from the lawn. Using ResiPour, we can bind the loose stones to prevent them from being kicked out onto the surrounding areas. ResiPour is not resistant to rain until fully dry, so avoid application if there is a risk of rain, fog, or condensation in the following 48 hours. To install ResiPour, you will need a watering can or airless garden sprayer, enough ResiPour to cover your area, a trowel, and a tape measure. Existing and new decorative aggregate should be clean, dry, and free from debris, oil, and grease which could affect the adhesion. Our recommended depth of aggregate is 20 to 40 mm. Make sure you cover over any area surrounding the section to be treated with plastic sheeting to avoid overspray. Level the area to the desired final texture. Any troughs, peaks or footprints will show on the final surface once treated. Shake the container and pour the resin into either a measured watering can with a rose head or a measured airless garden sprayer. We advise 1 litre of ResiPour per metre squared for each coat. Always test a small inconspicuous area before proceeding to ensure the finished result is satisfactory. Apply the first coat in a consistent and even layer and leave for 24 hours. Do not oversaturate the surface as this will delay the drying time and may not bond the loose decorative aggregate. A trowel can be used to smooth the area if this is the preferred finishing texture. Apply the second coat after 24 hours of the first in a consistent and even layer and allow to cure. For more information on ResiPour or to view more of our ResiScape range, please visit www.resiscape.co.uk.